Hi everyone, Steve Taddy here from the HearingTracker podcast. I wanted to share with you a really cool hearing protection device that I've had the pleasure of trying out for the past few weeks. I'm talking about Loop Earplugs. Well, these come in 3 different styles. I'm specifically looking at the Loop Experience Pro, which is geared towards the hi-fi, musician-based crowd. So really quickly, what are my thoughts? I do like these devices, and I think they have a lot to offer. And they seem to come from this new generation where the hearing protection device is more than an embedded acoustic membrane into a multi-flange silicone tip. And this has a lot of potential benefits. But if you'd like more of my thoughts on that and what these devices have to offer, you can check out my full review on HearingTracker.com. A link is in the description below. But hopefully you're here for the same reason that I'm creating this video. And that's so that we can actually hear what these devices sound like. As I have the Experience Pro, which is designed for music, let's listen to some rock and roll. We'll start with our control, open ear canals, which will emulate you physically sitting in the room. Then we'll hear with the plugs inserted. Finally, I'll show you what it sounds like with the Loop Mute, which is a sound blocking insert offering additional sound attenuation. Before we go any further, be sure to put on your favorite set of headphones, as that'll really complete the illusion. Okay, with that done, let's get to it. Hopefully you found these recordings helpful. And keep in mind that everyone's ears are different, so fit and sound quality will really vary. And if you are an audio engineer, musician, or in general someone who is exposed to loud sounds on a regular basis, I highly recommend you visit an audiologist who specializes in hearing conservation and music. You can assess your hearing and even check how a specific set of earplugs works for you. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to check out my full review, which is filled with lots of other information and measurements. If you have any questions, or if you've tried Loop earplugs, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, thanks for watching and protect your hearing.